Hey everybody, good morning. Okay, I just wanted to do a quick little video to show you the difference in the terrain now that I'm in. I'm in sort of the lowlands now. I'm down around 4,000 feet, and you can tell the difference in the topography. I see lots of bedrock mounds and mesquite bush, and this is all private ranch land I'm on. That I guess they have an agreement with the AZT, but there's cows and steers everywhere, so you got to watch out for them because they're the big longhorns. And that's where I'm headed over there, to another bloody mountain. Anyway, I'm gonna pause this out. I'm gonna be stopping for lunch soon, and I'll do a much better video. Okay, cheers, everybody. Okay, guys, I am 7 miles in from Patagonia. That was a nice morning hike, and I'm at the Temporal Gulch trailhead, which is right here, and I'll be heading up to Walker Basin on the saddle of that mountain I just showed you. I think that's Wrightson, and then through Ditch Mountain and on up to Oak Tree Canyon. And yeah, I know I said no more mountains, but I don't think I have any choice. And here's what I hope to get a shot of when I'm out there. Nice cougar, or maybe even El Jefe, the lone jaguar, the lone native jaguar left in Arizona. And down here you can see a picture of the trail itself, going from down where I was in Sierra Vista, and it goes all the way up through Vail, Tucson. There's Phoenix, all the way up through Pine, hit Flagstaff and Tucson and the Grand Canyon at the North Rim, then on up to the Utah border. So just wanted anybody who hasn't got I know they're tough to get these maps, but so right now I'm just sort of in this parking lot, and there is a really nice creek that runs through just over here, and fortunately I have enough water right now. I packed heavy, and I'm gonna stop, have a little lunch break and go on, and then I'm gonna probably do some videos, or one. I think I owe you guys a video from the mountains, so I am going to do that one tonight, and it should be interesting. Okay guys, talk to you later. Okay guys, I'm just coming through this canyon here, gulch, whatever it was. I just wanted to show you these neat rock formations. Really reminds me of the Old West. You see the spires of rock up above there. I think you're gonna have cowboys and Indians going at it any minute. Anyway, yeah, this is a really nice little canyon coming in. There's a nice little creek that follows through, and right in the middle of nowhere. Boy, is it beautiful out here. What a difference from those bloody mountains. But I am headed into the Santa Ritas pretty soon, and I've got a short, kind of a 8,000 foot mountain just up ahead, but I checked it out and it doesn't look too bad, and I'll be well over that by this afternoon, and back into normal land, country, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, I'm going to pause this out. I'm headed to Snake Canyon, or for the next water spring that's up there. Cheers. Okay, you guys, I'm stopped for lunch. I tell you, there's a picture perfect scene everywhere I look in this valley. You know, I just came upon this little kind of cul-de-sac in the middle of nowhere, and it's the perfect camp spot. Somebody else has built a fire pit. There's nice flat ground. There's even grass. I can put pegs in the ground. And the river's right over there. There's a dry riverbed right here. And you know, my gold panning dreams of delusions, whatever. This would be the perfect spot. Man, like, there's this beautiful dry riverbed that just comes down, and you can bet when the rains come, this whole place is a floodplain, but like, it just goes down, these beautiful trees, looking up into those mountains. You can just imagine Mr. Cougar sitting up there eyeballing me, just waiting for me to make a mistake. And now I go through that. There's a little trail going that way. That's where I'm headed. And this is a beautiful spot. It's just like if I could, I mean, build a house here. Like, man, it's just gorgeous. And it's like 25 degrees. It's sun every day. My God, I tell you though, it gets cold at night. As soon as that sun goes down, boy, it drops. But just a beautiful spot. Man, oh man, just doesn't get any better. Wow. Anyways, I'm gonna have some lunch, and then I'm off to Anaconda Springs or Anaconda Springs. It's 2.5 miles to go, and that puts me at my 11-mile day. And it's only it's not even noon yet. So I guess if my legs are up to it, I could theoretically do 20-mile days, but I'm not quite ready for that yet. And they sent me my new tarp. They purelated it overnight when I showed them the picture of the ripped grommets from the 60-mile-an-hour wind. They sent me a brand new one free. So I still have to break that in, get it all set up. And then we're going to go from there. And I'll let you know a little later on. Anyways, see you tonight. Bye. Hey guys. Well, it's back to climbing again. You see those buggers way up there? That's where I gotta go. And at least this one, for every 200 feet you climb, you go down maybe 50. And then you gotta climb up. So I don't know, but it seems a lot easier than that bloody straight uphill one I did the other day. And this is called Anaconda Springs. Has a nice creek. Well, I won't call it a creek exactly, but it's got some water in it, and some really neat features. You see, I'm still going through this valley, but I'm getting a lot closer to that mountain, because when I showed you that earlier, it was a lot farther away. And we're up into the Sky Islands up there, and it's going to be some really nice scenery up there. Anyway, see you on the other side.